everyone! Welcome back to Bochiknot. My name is Nicole. So in my first two videos, you guys learned how to make two specific patterns. A Macrame mandala wall hanging piece and also a Macrame keychain. Today we're actually going to go back to the basics and learn how to do three basic knots. These are three knots that are wildly popular in modern macrame. You can see them in almost every macrame piece nowadays. And these knots are the Larks head knot, the square knot, and the double half hitch knot. So let's get started! The first knot we're going to start with is called the Larks head knot. Take a string, fold it in half, and place it on the wooden dowel, and put the two ends of the string through the loop. You would usually use this knot to start off a wall hanging piece, since the strings are aligned vertically. This next popular knot is called the square knot. You need 4 cords to perform this knot. The 2 outer cords are the working cords, and the 2 inner cords are the anchor cords. Next, we'll perform a series of double half hitch knots horizontally first. The furthest cord on the left is the anchor cord, and then every string after that are the working cords. You tie 2 knots with each working cord. This is one double half hitch knot. You can also do the double half hitch knots diagonally as well. You can form many shapes by doing it this way. For example, a V shape, a diamond, or a triangle, to name a few. End of the tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully that was helpful for you guys at home in practicing those knots and applying them to your own macrame piece. If you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks and see you next time.